Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for sports and outdoor business easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, let's see templates. Now you can choose the topic and you can choose the type of your business. So um, let's go with fitness, for example. Here you can choose the type, the courses and the services and the online store. So you can choose one of these. You can choose one of these, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started. So let's go. So here you can add your store name, here, and let's continue. Here you can build your homepage. You can choose your intro section. You can here choose your product section, and here you can choose your services section. And here you can choose your about section, your social section, and your forms section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. So let's continue. Here you can choose the color of your theme. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose the font, and let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can skip this, or if you want to continue, so let's see what happens. So here you can describe more your new site. For example, sports and fitness. So let's continue. Here you can choose your writing style. Now wait a few seconds for creating the website. So this is your homepage right now. So here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile view, so like this. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop view. So that's it. So if you want to edit your homepage store, click here. If you want to see the size, the site size, you can click here. You can change the fonts. Here you can edit the fonts. You can switch the work sans. Here you can change the headings, the paragraphs, the buttons. You can edit the fonts pack. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your theme. Choose any theme you want. You can customize it. Here you can edit the header, the site title, the theme, the theme color of the navigation links, the theme color of the section background, the theme color of the background overlay, the theme color of the inset border, and the section driver stroke. So, and the themes colors of this the heading, the heading extra large, the large, the medium, the small, large, medium, paragraph, the background. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on now to the animations. So here you can choose the style, none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can change the page width and the site margin. So that's it. Now let's get back. So if you want to edit your home page, first here we have the header. If you want to edit the site header, click here, and now you can change the site title and the logo. So you can upload your logo from your library for outdoors logo or fitness logo. You can change the site title, and also here you can add the mobile logo. So that's it. You can edit the elements. Here you can turn this on, the button. You can change this, get started. You can change the text on it. You can turn this on, social link. Also you can edit the social links. Here you can change the border. Also you can switch language. You can turn this on, click card, and also you can change the style icon. So that's it. You can edit the social icon size. And if you wanna show zero in cart, I'm gonna turn this off. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here this is the section of the products. So here you can change this. You can change the text on it, the welcome to Sport Hub. You can change anything here. You can drag it at any place. Just hold on it like this and you can put it at any place. Here you can edit the form of the text. So here you can change the label, the button label. Click on it. You can change the color of it. You can duplicate it, and also you can delete it if you want. So that's it. If you want to duplicate this section, you can click here. You can, if you want to save the section, if you want to move it down or move it up, or if you want to remove it, just click here and it will be deleted. So that's it. If you want to add section, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add the codes. Select any one of these. So for example, this. So that's it. Let's move it down. So that's it. If you want to add an image on your home page, just click here, and you can add text, image, video, audio, button, the form, newsletter. So for example, let's add an image. Click here, and you can select it from your library or from free image. So for example, let's see fitness and sports, like this. So you can choose from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you can choose wherever you want. So that's it. You can drag it and put it at any place. So for example, let's put it here, or for example, let's put it here. So you can customize it as you like. You can make it smaller. You can duplicate it if you want. So that's it. Here you can remove it, any image you want to delete. So that's it. So Also, if you wanna, whenever you want to add an image or a text on it, just click here and you can choose text or button or whatever you want. So that's it. So here we have the contact, for the contact section, and the last is the footer. So here you can edit the footer. So you can change this, the text. So that's it, like this. After you're done from designing website, all you have to do is save this and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site for sports and fitness business on Squarespace, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.